Cell rate locking. If you need to submit your project in iterations to a client, or if they've requested an updated submission schedule with extra items, you may find cell rate locking an invaluable feature. It allows you to change the project value without changing the cell rates of the locked items. This is set up in Spread Nominations. First, we'll need to click on Edit so we can make changes. The Lock Cell Rates feature is available as a checkbox in the Properties pane. You can select one line and click the Lock Cell Rate box. Or you can select multiple lines and then click the Lock Cell Rate box to lock the cell rates. Once locked, the Cell Rate Locked column in Spread Nominations will display a padlock on each locked line, so you can easily review which cell rates have been locked and which are not. To unlock, highlight the lines you wish to unlock, click on Edit, Properties, and untick the Lock Cell Rate box. Once an item's cell rate has been locked, regardless of any changes made to the project, the cell rate of the line will remain at the value at which it was locked. In this sense, it's similar to setting a nomination to nominate the rate of the item at that cell rate. Let's see a simple example of this working. In Spread Nominations, note the cell rate of Item 1, $53.60, and Item 3, $86.50. Let's lock Item 1 on line 2 with a cell rate of $53.60. Let's navigate to the Workflow menu, then the Project Summary window. Select Edit and add an additional margin adjustment. Let's increase the margin adjustment from $25,000 to $50,000. Once we save that change, a new spread calculation will run. If we navigate to the Spread Results window, what we'll see is that the cell rate and cell total of nearly all the items have increased slightly, except for Item 1, which has the cell rate lock applied. The cell total for Item 3 rose from $17,646 to $18,901. The cell totals for items 8 to 15 did not change because they already have a set nominated rate or nominated percentage. At any point, we can navigate back to the Spread Nominations window and remove the cell rate lock. And again, when you click on Save, a new spread calculation will run. Back in Spread Results, let's refresh the window, then review the updated cell rate and see the new total for Item 1 is $1,033. If you change the nomination type or the nomination value after a cell rate has been locked, the locked cell rate will not change. Cell rate locks are essentially the same function as nomination value. In the spread calculation order, cell rate locks are processed immediately after nomination values, but before any other items. And that's working with cell rate locking. We have relevant cell rate articles in our knowledge base and an online training lesson dedicated to spread nominations if you would like to know more. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on our 24/7 support number or via email. We're happy to help you with ways to improve your workflows and efficiency and to help make your estimating faster and more accurate. Contact us and find out how we can help.